Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is the most awaited style of calligraphy during the lockdown.
Hi guys, this is pencil calligraphy, which most of y'all are waiting for, and here we are going to use pencils. Just see the way I am tying those two pencils. You are also going to tie them with a rubber band up and down. The reason for tying this up with a rubber band is to make it sturdy. If you think two is not enough, you can tie three also, one in between. But I feel comfortable with two of them only, so I am tying it like this. For this you need one more thing, is a plain line papers, which I think most of us must be having. I am doing it with actually gel pens, which are also tied in the same manner, you can see. Because with pencil, when I do, you will not be able to see it. I had recorded the first video and deleted immediately after that because I realized it was not visible. You can also use sketch pens for that purpose if you want. As you all don't have things, I feel pencil is the best, and this is actually named as pencil calligraphy. So we begin with the basics of that is strokes. So how to do a standing line. One more thing which I forgot to tell you, the distance between both the pencils is going to be very less, but one is going to be at the higher end and the other is going to be little lower than the first one. The one which is little higher towards the end is going to be on your right side, and when you are holding them, you are going to hold as if you are holding a single pencil. And do see, I am just showing you, then I'll show you with the pen. Standing line, this is the way you're going to do with the pencil. I'm showing you with a pen so that you all can see it more clearly. This is the standing line. Then there is sleeping line. In calligraphy, you normally seal the end. That is what I am doing. And while doing this, either you take this pencil like this, or you can even do it the other way. I'll show you. You can even do it like this. Keeping into mind, this is up. And when you are doing anything with the pencil, remember you are holding only one pencil, otherwise it will not come. So whether it is a standing line, whether it is a sleeping line, the same thing I'll show you for your reference with pencil also, but I don't know how much you all will be able to see it. Just see. So it's going to be the same way. Similarly, then what we did was see, we will do the same thing. See, you have to hold the pen in such a position where you can see the two dots are in one line. I mean to say the pencil which you are using, and then make a C. The thin line will come here. Now this is what we normally say is a thin line. When you are doing a thin line, just see again, both the points have to come in a line and then start and do. If not, then see what will happen. If suppose if I am doing, whether you are doing with this or whether you are doing with a pencil, I hope you are able to see at least the thin lines with the pencil. Now we go to the opposite C, and that is first a thin line and then a C. Here the thin line comes, seal the edges. Again I'll show you, if don't do like this, see, otherwise the thin line comes here, we don't want this. And while doing this type of calligraphy, you have to remember you cannot do it in 2 or 3 lines, you need minimum 5 to 6 lines, so that the effect shows it is calligraphy. Otherwise the effect will not come. You see what is going to happen with whatever you do. Then you come down to the last one, which is O, and as I said, O has two thin lines. You can see. If you are not able to do it, once again we will split it into two, like this, like this. Practice this way and then try to make it at a go. Remember one thing, pencil calligraphy is pretty easy, but it will not come until and unless you practice it. So please practice at least 5 to 10 times, because when we start with any of the font style, it is going to be the practice which will count. Otherwise you will not be able to do it so simply. And if it is not coming, don't worry, because it takes a lot of practice.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make.
Thank you
Thank you for watching.